Hey guys, this is a short video on my Tesla Turbine project. These are the rotors. They're printed out of PETG. It's 100mm diameter, 0.5mm disc spacing. I got 608 RS bearings in here. It's all just 3M screws. This nozzle is at a 15-degree angle. That's what I found online. That's the best, it's apparently the best angle to use for something like this. The goal for this project eventually is something like combined heat and power, where you use the waste heat that you use to recondense your steam to also heat your home or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's around 120 psi, which made it spin between 21 and 25,000 RPM.